What's going on, everybody, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys some Stronghold. It is an older, it's from like, actually let me see really quick. I have the thing right here. I think it's from like 2003 or 2004. Ooh, so actually 99 to 2009 is when these game series came out. There's a bunch of them, but this is the very first one. So I'm going to show you guys what's going on with it. We will play... Let's play the military campaign. I'll show you guys this. Alright. Let's get into it.
As soon as the king had marched his army into the barbarian homeland, rumors began of a plot to seize the throne. When news came of the king's capture, the country was invaded. Several nobles, including your father, sought to end the bloodshed, but on the way to meet for negotiations, their party was massacred by a band of unknown raiders. Bruised and exhausted, you have been beaten back to a forest on an overlooked peninsula, where a small group of loyal troops are hiding. Although the country is lost, maybe from this refuge, you can at least avenge your father's death.
We need to avenge my father's death. Gathering the lost.
I say,
So long.
And strike while the iron is hot.
No. The few men we have would be cut down like lambs to the slaughter. We need time to gather our forces.
Nonsense. I shall take 6 of my finest men into enemy territory by the cover of darkness, and...
No, just listen. Our men are close to starvation. This is what we must do.
The debate rages on well into
Ooh, the
the
story was
night,
longer than I thought it was.
but eventually Lord Woolsack takes you to one side.
Sir Longarm tells me he knew your father well, which is why I'm giving you your chance to prove yourself. It is time you got your first taste of command.
Give me the command. There we go. Alright. So this is all area. So these are neutral lands that I'm in. These are all areas that I have to kill. Gets quite difficult. So we need to acquire 20 meat and 40 wood.
Place a keep to cite your castle, my liege.
Let's put this... Put this kind of in the middle here. Let's go. Boop.
Cite your granary, sire.
Give me a hunter's post.
Wood needed.
Oh, that's right. I can zoom out. There we go. That's better. Yeah, this game. I have not beaten this game 100% because there's one mission later on that's really hard to do. But I will take you guys along if you guys want to see this. Look at the poochie. And each person
Policy of no
has their
taxes
own...
is the least we could expect.
Each person has their own name, too.
Morning, your lordship.
Morning, sir.
A message from your scribe. Animal tracks have been reported in the area, sire.
There we go. That's pretty nice. So I need... Oh, wrong one. 20 meat and 40 wood. That should be pretty easy to get to, though.
A message from your scribe. Scouts are reporting that packs of wolves are closing in on the castle.
Oh, I forgot about those guys.
We must get the supplies stored.
Where y'all at? Y'all up here? No? I don't even see where the wolves are at. They must not be in the game yet. Okay. Will do.
Our granary stocks are growing, sire.
Okay. So I think I just have to get the wood and the food. And then I can start getting stuff taken care of. The hunters kind of become a secondary... Yep, okay, that was easy. Okay.
Victory!
Couldn't remember how that one ended. Alright, so that was kind of a simple level. Now it kind of just gets you into it. Oh.
Job well done. Not too bad for your first attempt.
No, no, no! The fool has pitched camp in the middle of the wolves' migration track.
Good. It will give the men some well-needed practice before we make our strike.
Poof! Now I have no choice but to send out a scout to find a more permanent position.
We have conquered one land. To the next.
Day by day, the camp becomes more overwhelmed by the wolves, and their persistent howling robs the men of sleep. The situation is about to get out of hand when Lord Woolsack's scout returns. Soon afterwards, you are summoned into the command tent.
Sir Longarm has convinced me to give you another chance. We have found the remains of an abandoned stockade.
Wolves plague this county every winter. So, we need you to get the stockade back up to scratch, quickly.
Failure is not an option this time. Just...
Alright, cool.
To ensure the safety of your men,
complete
you are
castle
required to
and
renovate...
Cite your granary, sire.
Ooh. I hear him. Where y'all at? You're up there? Oh yeah, there's a lot of them. Get him! Got all these wolves up here. See, there's a whole bunch of there too. Alright, come on, dude. We need to get 35 meat, and then we need to complete the castle. Which castle should be easy.
Instructions! Arrows away!
Alright, let's
We
kill them.
await orders! Arrows ready!
Oh, they're coming.
Yes? Can't target him, sir. Archers ready! Notch arrows! Wolves are a message from your scribe. The wolves are on the prowl, sire.
Oh, I lost two of them. That ain't good. Oh, I'm dead. Oh no! Run back inside! I complete the castle? It did. So now we just need to wait for the meat. Which we could build 2 more of these guys. Okay. Go ahead, guys. Go hunting. Oh, door's locked. Go hunting, guys. Go for it. What is your name, sir? Clacky the chicken.
No taxes? Oh, that makes
Alfred Longfellow.
No taxes is
Matt
good taxes.
Dalehead.
That's my motto. No taxes is good taxes. That's my motto.
Instructions?
No taxes
Eric
is good
Fest.
taxes. That's my motto.
Yes, I understand you guys don't like Texas. Oh, jeez! Man, you guys don't play around. You guys just took a whole bunch of them out, didn't you? Alrighty. Ooh, what is that? Oh, the deer. Sorry, I'm trying to make this game slower, but it's really fast still.
A message from your scribe. Here they come again, sire.
Get in, sir.
Wolves are attacking, my lord.
Get up! That was the last wolf, I do believe. Any more up here? Nope, that was the last wolf. Cool. But, just like that, we are done. Oh, we have 34! No! Finish cutting there, dude. We'll be done. And... oh, where'd he go? Or not. Where'd he disappear to?
No change in the treasury, lord.
Oh. Now look at them shots. They missed quite a bit though. Hey, there we go. Victory.
We are victorious, sire.
Eliminating the wolves.
We need you to train some new recruits in the use of the bow.
The wolves breed in the next county. Find their lairs and wipe them out. It's them or us.
Find a hilltop and fortify yourself there using a
Martin
mob.
Bailey. Alright.
Place a keep to site your castle, my
Where's the wolves at? Over here. Oof.
Site your granary, sire.
Get some meat guys going.
A message from your scribe.
guys.
We'll have to work fast. These wolves are everywhere.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Let's get some more food going too. Sorry, jeez. Go for it, guys. Go get me lots of wood, because that's what I need. No pun intended. Try to stay away from over here, though, because there's a lot of... oh! There's wolves down here, too. Not that one. Okay, there's like one wolf down there. None up there. There's a lot over here. Alright. Thank you. I need one more though.
Wood needed.
Oh, wait. I need that. I need these guys. So each of these guys
Policy of no
collects
taxes
one.
is the least we could expect.
Is the one, like they can collect 3 logs before they cut.
Our granary stocks are growing, sire.
Good, hopefully they're growing. Alright, I got a nice little town going here. I'm gonna need a lot of these guys. Because these wolves are killer. Okay. I was seeing if there is a timer telling me when the wolves are gonna attack, but I think it's just randomly, kind of.
We await orders.
Yes, you do.
Wolves are attacking my...
Uh-oh.
We await
That's what I
orders.
was that's what I was afraid of.
Moving off.
Where's the wolf? You said wolves are attacking. Where?
We await orders. Yes? Archers, ready. My boy's yours.
No, don't go across the water. Oh no, all the meat might die.
Sir, Depuce's men have arrived.
Oh,
We can't allow
that's
them to give away our
right.
position.
Get him.
Instructions. We are on our way. Finding targets.
Oop, okay. Ooh, I forgot they do that.
We await orders. We
Yeah,
await
just go sit over there
orders.
for now. Alright, I need to
Yes?
get some walls going. Oh!
A message
Oh,
from your
this is gonna be
scribe.
bad.
The wolves are on the prowl, sire.
Okay, so it takes 2 hits to kill each wolf.
Archers,
Get 'em.
ready. Wolves are attacking, my lord.
It's kind of a sad
We await
sound,
orders. Needed, sire.
but it has to be done. Oh yeah, that's right. I gotta build a wall first. And then I can put a couple of towers in. Are you doing that to me?
We await orders. My bow is yours. Me lord,
You guys there.
leaving now. Instructions. Moving off. We await orders. We are on our way. Yes? Leaving now.
Give you guys a little bit of protection for when we start attacking the wolves, but I need to get more guys before I do that. Yes.
We await
All
orders.
the archers.
Archers ready. Moving off.
And then we will go
We
through
await
and kill
orders.
all of you.
My bow is yours.
Oh, wait. Could do this. I do believe I blocked that off all the way. I do believe so. Just to make sure. Ooh, gold needed? Oof. Alright. Sorry, my
We
guys.
await orders. We are losing a little money, my liege. Our food stocks are dwindling, my liege. Me lord, we are on our way.
Alright, let's...
Can't place that there, my lord. Instructions. Leaving now.
Up here,
We await
There.
orders. Yes?
up there.
Archers ready. My bow is yours. Me lord, moving off. We await orders. Instructions. We are on our way.
And... let's get them.
We await orders.
Take them out.
Yes? Take steady aim. Archers, arrows ready.
Eradicate the wolves.
My bow is yours. Notch arrows.
Take them out. Take them out.
Me lord, finding
Oh, is that it?
instructions. Take steady aim.
Is there still a wolf? There we go. Hey. Alright. Look at that lovely score.
We are victorious, sire.
Good.
Fortunately, the Rats' scouting party did not survive long enough to give away your position. But it is likely that they will be missed before long. A dispatch arrives from Sir Longarm.
Hopefully, by the time you receive this message, all has gone well, and you have put an end to those irritating wolves. I now ask a favor of you. Begin constructing an outpost on the edge of Duke de Pousse's territory
Duke de Pousse's?
in order to help me better judge the strength of the Rats' forces. You must not, under any circumstances, send confirmation of your mission's completion to Lord...
Oh. Here's
The
this
rat
ugly
was
fella.
raised as an only child in lands belonging to the de Pouce family. The Duke showed his mother favour, ensuring that she never paid taxes,
Oh.
and always had enough to get by. One day, a messenger came by, and it was revealed that his father was the same Duke de Pouce who his mother had once worked for as a serving wench. Due to an unfortunate accident, the entire de Pouce family had been lost at sea whilst returning from holiday, leaving the rat as next in line to inherit the title of Duke.
The title of Duke.
Find a suitable location on high
All right.
ground near the lands belonging to Duke de Pouce and start construction of an outpost. The wooden keep will offer better protection than a simple hall.
Place a keep to site your castle, my liege.
Alright, let's save. Let's go. Let's go blah. Blah.
Saving! Retire, my...
Alright, guys. Well, that is Stronghold. If you guys want to see more, it does get better because then you have more and more enemies themselves instead of just the wolves. The first couple of levels are just wolves. And yeah, they're not as fun. But if you guys want to see more, smash that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And comment down below if you want to see more of this, and I will play it. And there are other versions of this game if you want me to try those ones as well. But I will talk to you guys later. Bye!